Today I'm going to show you how do you replace this sensor on this side. This doesn't work anymore, so I'm gonna show you in the next video. Thank you. If you're in a situation there is no helping hand, you can actually, after you remove the screws, and then you can tie up with a white wire, make a loop connection, and then you can hang it like this, so you will not need another person to hold it like this. So in a situation like this, so you're gonna have a 3 connection. Let me show you the sensor. So the sensor has a 3 connection, one black, one red, and the white. So white goes to neutral, the black goes to the hot one, and the red connection goes to the lamp. The lamp, this is the load, so it will go connect to the lamp connection, and the black goes to the hot, which is coming from your house. So in this situation, do you see all the white? So all whites are pigtail. You can see one from the house, one from the lamp, and one from the sensor. So these 3 white, one white from the house, one white from the lamp, and one white from the sensor. So these 3 together, the black connection, which is this one, this black will goes to the house, the black one. So this black 2 goes together, and this red will go connect to the lamp. So very pretty basic connection. I hope you can do this by yourself. If you have like this, you can also check which one is the hot. So you can see this is if you touch the black, one of the black connection, you can see is blinking. You can see that here. So I'm touching the black, which is coming from the house. So this is a hot. So now you have to go and turn off the breaker switch. So make sure this one doesn't is active anymore, and then you can connect it safely. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you the next result. So I turn off the GFI connection from the basement. Now if I touch this, the same thing, the black one, it doesn't blink anymore. So that means you can safely remove, or you can safely touch to do the work. Just letting you know, there is no breaker switch in the main board, but you can find it in the basement. So you're gonna remove from this part. And then you have to carefully pull it up from the outside, from the inside. Then once you are out, then you're gonna disconnect it and then put the new connection, the new sensor. So basically, after you put these things, you're gonna push it to hold it with one hand, and this part, this circle, you're gonna hold from the back, and then you're gonna put this ring on the top, and then tied it down with the hand tight as much as you can, so it will be water sealed. And then I'm gonna do this connection. As I said, the black is from the house connection, the black. The red goes to the lamp. The lamp has one of the black connections, so these two together for the lamp. One from the sensor, which is red, and one from the black one from the lamp, and the white one from the sensor and one from the lamp goes together, and the one from the house. I'm gonna install it and then show you the next one. Thank you. So after I put it, so basically this is the sensor. One more time, the red goes to the lamp black, the sensor black, this one, the sensor black goes to the house connection, which is the black one, the hot connection. I don't see, yeah, which I'm pointing the finger, which I'm holding. This is the black one from the house, and the white, which is from the sensor and goes to the house white, and from the lamp, one of the lamp is white. So it's a very basic and easy connection. You guys can do that as well. You don't have to, but if you don't feel comfortable, then you can get a technician. So I turn on the GFI connection from the basement, and then let's moment of truth. If I hide this, if I cover up with my hand, the light turns on. If I uncover the sensor, the light goes off. So that means connection is perfectly connected. And then again, it goes off. Thank you guys.